Hello, my crafty goblins and ghouls. I hope you're having a bootastic day. Welcome to day one of the 13 Days of Halloween craft series, hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, Shabby Chic Chick by Michelle Randolph, and Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs by yours truly, Robyn Pitts. If you're new to our channels, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that you never miss a video. Over the next 13 days, we will be sharing some spectacular Halloween projects, easy tutorials, and fun prizes. To participate in our giveaways, you have to be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident, and you must be a visible subscriber to all three channels. Also, we may have some hidden giveaways, so you want to make sure that you watch, like, and comment to each channel over the 13 days. At the end of this series, we will be doing a random draw and we will select a winner from any day and any video. So you want to make sure that you watch every day for your chance to win. To officially kick off this Halloween craft series, I am very excited to share my Wicked Witch hat box. This was so much fun, and I created this using a digital file by SVGCUTS. This is from their Haunted Forest collection. This hat measures 7.5 inches from the top to the bottom and 6 inches across, and I just love the way this turned out. On the top, I have this spooky glittered bat, and I did put this on wire so that it wobbles. I've lined this hat with this beautiful rhinestone. On the front, we have this black leaf, and then I've taken a variety of floral sprays in white and black and adhered it to the front. We've got this beautiful pearl and rhinestone bling, and I've further embellished it with this sparkly cobweb tulle. On the right side, we have this adorable little owl. When I saw it, I thought it was so perfect for this project, and I have him just perched on the top of this brim. And on the bottom of the rim, I also have that surrounded in a rhinestone trim. Let me give you a view of the side. Here's a better view of the tulle that I have fanning out of the side of the hat. On the bottom of the box, I have this black lace with sequins. This is the back of the box. I did use this green paper and I really like the texture of it. It has this black glitter. And then here you can see more of this beautiful rhinestone detail. I just think this is so elegant. Here is the back of the owl, and if you look closely, you can see that there's a slight hint of green mixed in with the black. That looks so pretty. This hat is also a box, and I can take the top off. And inside, there is a space for you to put candy or a small gift. Also, here you can see these large gemstones that I've put on the brim of the hat. To display this hat, I created this fun spiderweb pedestal from a pattern that I found on Pinterest. I will be sure to include a link to this in the description box below. This hat is a beautiful addition to your Halloween home decor, or it can be used as a wonderful gift. Now that I've given you a closer view of the hat, I'm going to clear off my desktop so that we can make one together. I'll be right back. I have gathered the materials to make our Wicked Witch hat box. I am using a digital file from SVGCUTS from their Haunted Forest collection. When you download the files for this project, you will receive a menu for the Haunted Forest. This contains several different projects in the collection. On this page is the directions for the Wicked Witch hat, and it has all of the pieces that are included in the file. For this example, I am using paper by DCWV. It's called Happy Halloween. This is a new stack this year, and I just love the colors. I love the infusion of the turquoise, and they also have several pages with holographic details. I will be using art glitter glue. This is my favorite glue. It dries fast, it dries clear, and it's super strong. Please be sure to check the description box to see how you can receive a 10% discount on purchases at artglitter.com. In your file, you will receive the side panels for the hat. Each of these pieces are numbered 1 through 5. I have gone ahead and outlined it in gold so that you can see it better. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. You will also receive the decorative panels, and to save time, I've already gone ahead and glued them on. You will receive this decorative piece and 3 circles. I've gone ahead and glued the 3 circles together. This piece makes the brim of the hat, and the 3 layers make the brim nice and sturdy. You will receive these 5 pieces, and they make up the box. This piece here, and this piece is the base of the box. So let's start gluing these pieces together. I'm going to take piece 1. I've gone ahead and folded along all of the perforation lines, and then I'm going to take piece 2, and we're going to attach them just like so. So this piece is going to be curved. Okay, so let's put a little bit of glue on the top here. You want to make sure that you take your time with this first piece because it really is the anchor for the entire hat. And then you can go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the rest of the pieces. And to curve it, I'm just using this middle finger here, and I'm holding it at an angle, letting each tab get a nice strong hold. Now we want to glue on our third piece. You want to line it right at the top. Make sure that has a nice strong hold, and then glue on the rest of the tabs. I'm going to go ahead and glue on the rest of the tabs, and I will be right back. I've glued all of the sides together. Now let's close the box up. I'm going to put glue right at this very top tab here and along this large panel. And then you just squeeze this into place. Okay, and this is the top of our hat. I really like this paper. I'm going to give this to my friend's daughter. She is 6, and she's going to be a little wicked witch for Halloween. So I told her I would make a little witch hat for her. So our hat is complete, and we can set this aside. Let's start to work on the box. So you have 5 tabs here. We're just going to glue them together on this tab right here. And I've gone ahead and inked all of these pieces with the black soot ink. Okay. And you can see how quickly this box is coming together. So if you wanted to do this for a party or give these as little treat boxes, you could make these pretty quickly. So I have all of the 5 panels glued together. I'm going to go ahead and close up my box. Okay, now we want to turn this over and fold these tabs down. You want to put glue on them. And you want to grab this piece and line it up to close the box. You're going to make sure you get it right to the edge. Okay, now you want to turn this over and take your bone folder and make sure all of the tabs are pressed down. And here's our little box. Next, you want to grab your brim, and you're going to glue this piece down to the brim. What you want to do is just glue this center piece. You want to curl up these edges here just to give the hat a little bit of dimension. Of course, you can glue them down if you like. For this example, I did glue all of them down because I have these large gemstones on them. But here I want to make it a bit more whimsical. So I've curled these up, and I'm going to glue this right in the center of the hat. So we're going to put glue here, right where the corners are. You don't want to put it on these curly pieces here. You want to put this in the middle of the hat. Then you want to grab your box, and your box is going to be glued just like so. So these points here line up to the points here on this little doily. So let's put glue on the bottom of our box. And then center this on the doily. And then take your bone folder and just press down. Now you want to grab the top of your hat and put it on your box. And your witch hat is complete. Now all we need to do is decorate this. I'm going to decorate this online and I will be right back. I have finished my second witch hat and I really like the way it turned out. I've included this black glitter spider web in the background and put these two ghosts here. In the center I have a rosette and then a sentiment that says "Boo to You." Now this sentiment is from the Anna Griffin Halloween sentiment kit. On the bottom, I have this fringe trim. Let me tilt this a little bit. And then another black and orange trim. And then, of course, you know I have to include a little bit of bling. So I have rhinestones going all around the perimeter of the box. On the bottom, I did cut out another doily in a contrasting color. So this is a side. The inspiration for this was this cute little ghost. On this side, I've added in a large bow, and I think it finishes off the witch's hat nicely. And then when I take this off, I could fill it with candy or a gift. This concludes my review of my Wicked Witch hat. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave me a comment and also subscribe to my channel. Please be sure to join us tomorrow for day 2 of the 13 days of Halloween. Also visit Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking and Michelle Randolph at Shabby Chic Chick. Thanks again for joining me and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now and happy crafting.